So we're starting out down here in the kitchen. I'm here with Gabriel. You guys remember Gabriel? He helped me out on the LCT 1040 tube mic. Remember the one they did 3D printed the prototype for? We tried out in Hollywood there a couple of years ago. Anyway, let's take a look at the facility here, see what we can find. Yeah, okay, they've got a kitchen. I'm kind of jealous because I don't. Okay. So this is product design?
Yes.
Okay, so what they're going to do is like do kind of mock-ups on their computers, and then you've got 3D printing as well to do prototypes and whatnot, like we saw with the 1040 a while back. That's pretty cool. We're going to take a look at that in just a sec. So I had no idea these guys actually do the mics for Elgato. So if you guys are out there who are getting into streaming and that kind of thing, this is their condenser mic, and you were saying you've got a limiter on it, that kind of thing, so you can scream like hell into it when you're gaming and whatnot, and you're not going to blow or clip your signal or whatnot.
It's a combination of a second channel with less gain and
cool.
a limiter, but yeah, it's unclippable.
That's freaking cool. I had no idea you guys did this. Yeah, USB connection right here. That's super awesome. Wow, good for you guys. And then you've got these Wave XLRs as well.
Mm-hmm. And single channel preamp.
Okay. And that's going to be for streaming as well. That's USB, and that'll go straight into your OBS and whatnot.
Exactly.
Very cool.
Both integrate perfectly in the Elgato environment. So for setting up mixes for the streamer and listening in, it's really easy.
Okay,
because
cool.
it's usually a real hassle.
Okay, and Elgato does the Stream Deck as well, don't they?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And you can also control this via Stream Deck.
Okay, so I'm here with Ricardo, and he's looking over some of the 3D modeling for the 1040 mic. This is some really cool shit. What's going on here?
Yeah, this is just the 3D drawing of the LCT 1040 microphone. Yeah, as you already got to test, we developed everything here. We did a set of prototypes that then you got a hold of one of them, and it's everything developed by us here.
All right, cool.
So this is our workshop.
Okay, so this is where you're going to do all the 3D printing on the mic bodies, that kind of stuff, right?
Exactly.
So how long would it take to actually print a mic body? Because I've only seen like time lapses, that kind of thing. So would it be like an all-day thing, or would it take several days?
12 to 20 hours, depending on the size.
Really? Okay, and if you get it wrong, you know, to start the whole process.
Yeah, sometimes it looks really
bad.
Weird in the morning.
Okay, yeah, set it up and you come back and the next day and it's like, ah, shit.
Yeah. And this is like an alcohol bath to get rid of the stuff that you don't need.
Oh, okay,
so
right.
They're like supports.
Okay,
and everything.
Right, exactly. And then you got to sand everything down afterwards?
Depends on which material you use.
Okay, and who gets that job?
Gernot does it. He does a great job.
Okay, fantastic. And that looks like another 3D printer.
Yeah, exactly. This one takes
the plastic stuff.
Filament, yeah, and this one is with resin.
Oh, really?
So this actually works with laser.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Lasers.
So this is acoustics department, and here is mostly programming, like firmware and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we've got a lot of this.
Okay, this is going to be cool. Let's check out the anechoic chamber. Partial anechoic chamber.
Yeah.
How's it going? Hi, nice to meet you. Glenn. Very nice to meet you. How do you do? Very nice to meet you. Wow, this is cool. Man?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, it's going to get weird in here. Oh, wow. So that's bizarre. You just feel the air everything just vanishes. There's no reflection at all right here.
Yeah. So this is for prototyping.
Yeah.
We have to window the response because we don't have a real anechoic chamber in here. There wasn't enough space. We have big ones in where we produce.
Okay.
So for prototyping. David, down to 100 hertz.
Approximately, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. I got it. Sorry. You just feel
from over there,
the
right?
splatter come off that, but this is just like completely dead. Yeah. This is so bizarre. Wow.
Want to scream?
Yeah. I want to scream now. That's cool though. That's really neat. I've always wanted to stand on one of these. So neat.
And this is basically you put the mic on the turntable, and then you can beep beep. It rotates in the 10-degree steps.
And then you've got like
patterns.
This is what the sine waves are all about.
Yes.
Ah, okay, great. And then you can just measure the capsules and then tune away and all that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds like lots of fun, and I'm so glad I don't have to do that for a living.
And I'm glad that I don't have to sit next to him. Sorry.
Yeah, we all know what your favorite song is. Yeah, it's like, weird.
Yeah, and the 1 kilohertz tone. It's very beloved.
We do cabinet IRs, we get it. So it's like, anyway, so cool, man.
So this is a funny one.
Oh, okay, so
So you can put the mic in there.
Okay.
Then you have the speaker, and it does something like 4 hertz or something like one movement. And here, through these holes, it pushes air out,
Okay.
and you can test the pop performance.
No
And it's
shit.
the same every time.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Oh, this is cool. What is this?
This
Is that a magnet?
It's our isolation tank.
Isolation tank.
4 microphones to chill out.
Whiskey Tango Foxtrot.
So, as you can see, it has a lot of mass,
Yes.
and it's a heavy, like metal tube in another metal tube, isolated from each other,
Okay.
and it gets rid of the outside noise.
Okay.
So you put the mic in there, close it in, and then you can measure the self noise
Oh, no shit.
and listen to the mic without any environmental
Wow.
influence.
So it's just, yeah, you just throw up your gain and then you can just get your noise floor from there. I had no idea this is what you got to go through to do this shit.
Yeah, and you can listen to it. Is there something weird I missed? Can I hear some ground hum or like all the stuff you want to avoid? And back there is our wind machine
Oh, okay. So that's where you're going to
to test the foams and stuff for outside performance.
Okay. Very cool. That's your wind cannon, right? Yes.
Exactly.
Okay. All right. Cool.
It's really powerful.
Yeah, I'll bet. So what do we got here?
So it's a climate chamber, and you can put microphones through really rough paces like humidity, temperature.
Oh, okay, cool. So you can see if they're going to hold up and that kind of thing. Because where I live, it's very humid, so that's good to know that you guys are putting them to that kind of test.
And where I live, it's very dry.
Yes, exactly, and everything catches fire every August. That helps too.
Yeah, it's actually funny when you take it out at -20 and then use it.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, and then just you get all the condensation and
Oh,
shit.
yes.
Yeah, that's going to be interesting as well. I
You
can't
can-
believe you guys are doing that. That's insane.
Of course, and you can emulate a lifetime basically.
Wow. Okay, that's really cool.
Yeah.
So, basically, you guys are trying to make microphones that are, are life-proof.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, that's cool.
And this is for EMV. I don't know the
EMP, electromagnetics.
yeah, like how much stuff radiates or
Faraday cage?
yeah, exactly.
Okay, very cool. We could have used one of those in Harmony. Holy shit! So
You hear weird stuff or
we could,
radio?
No, we just hear everything.
yeah, exactly. Try playing a high gain guitar. You were there, and it was just noisy as shit. You could only like face the guitar one way, and it would be okay, but you had to be in a very certain spot. So this will get rid of all that interference. You can hear exactly what's going on, so you can again check your noise floor. Makes perfect sense. Cool. See all the steps these guys go through to make sure your mics don't suck? I guarantee those $30 mics you guys are getting from China don't do this. All right, now one of the really cool things about this place is they built a custom studio in here. You guys got to see this place. It is unreal. Let's go check it out. So yeah, this is the studio. I got to say, this did kind of blow me away. Just for the square footage in here, I'm really jealous for that. They've got some amazing lights for doing product shots and all that kind of stuff. Look at this. They've got a shooting table, and they can get beautiful close-ups and that kind of stuff. I'm totally jealous. And they've got like they've got a limbo curtain they can pull down and do some shots. But most importantly of all, the room was really well thought out with the acoustic design. And these panels are all custom made. And these are cloth covered, and there's a polyurethane foam inside these. But it's also like, it's flat, but there's holes drilled in some kind of a matrix. And if you look up in the corners here, you can see it without the cloth covering. And these are all stood off from the walls as well, so the sound's going to get behind and bounce off the wall and get absorbed on both sides. They've got the exact same thing going on in the ceiling as well, and it's all angled. And if you do a hand clap in here, you're not getting any flutter echo or anything like that. This room sounds absolutely incredible. I really can't wait to track in here tomorrow. I think it's going to be absolutely amazing, especially checking out those monitors. Those look absolutely sick. I think this is going to be really great. And most importantly of all, they use Reaper here. So what exactly do you do here? What do you do?
As product manager?
Oh, product manager. Okay, so you walk around and tell people what to do. Okay.
Nah. Initially, when we moved in 2 years ago, we had the second floor.
Okay.
Before that, we had a much smaller
Sure.
facility, I would say.
Yeah, okay.
And yeah, as we grew and grow, We're happy that some people moved out. Sorry for them, but good for us because we took over.
This place is unreal. You gotta check this out.
So this is now the 6th row or 5th and a half, however you count it. And as you can see, we don't have the nice view,
Oh,
but we have a really nice office here.
yeah. Wow. Is that one of those arms you were talking about?
Yes.
Oh,
exactly.
cool.
So this is the one version. That comes from top,
Okay.
and
It doesn't
Right.
hold.
there's a weight if the microphone is not heavy enough.
Okay, is this locks in place?
No, but it stays wherever you put it.
Oh shit.
It's amazing.
I want one so bad. I need this so bad. Will it hold up like a bigger mic?
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's great. So you get that from, where can you find that actually?
Elgato.
Elgato.com, I imagine. That's super cool. I want one. Okay, kids, so here's a great example of why you should make sure your mic is locked down on the stand before you take your hands off it, because this might happen. Not good. Yeah, that's really good. Wow. Prototype.
Yeah.
That's hysterical. I bet you somebody was not happy when that happened.
I was very sad. I wasn't the only one. Yeah. And
Is that the one you brought to Hollywood?
Yes.
Oh shit. No!
Yes.
Hello. Hey. How's it going?
Hello.
Good, good.
So we're in Moritz's office, and Moritz does product management. And so what the hell is that?
So, product management, we and the team, like Gabriel is also part of the team, as well as Roman and Aviva. We try to come up with new products that bring hopefully actual real value to the customer, to the market, something unique, something new.
Okay.
And then we kind of drive it from the very beginning, from the first idea, all the way to the point where it's on sale on the market, and also continue the support.
So anything else in the pipe that we should be aware of that you can talk about?
That I can talk about, no, but
Okay.
I think there will be very interesting products coming out.
All
So I think generally what we see now, what is very interesting, is that more and more people actually use microphones. I mean, the whole pandemic, all this stuff exploded.
Right.
So I think now it's about time to adapt, the studio microphone, for all those people, to give more access to great sound to all sorts of people. So
Anyway, thanks so much for being on the show, man.
thanks for showing up.
Thanks for showing me around.
Welcome.
All right, so that is Lewitt from Vienna, Austria. I gotta say, the view up here is absolutely spectacular. I'm very envious of you guys getting to come in and go to work in this amazing facility. I gotta say, I'm really blown away by just your whole process for quality control and whatnot, especially when it comes to doing like the noise floor thing with that 300-pound, what the hell was that thing called?
Berta, the isolation tank.
The isolation tank, yeah, that was really impressive. And the anechoic chamber and all that kind of stuff. Really amazing process you guys go through just to see what you guys have to deal with to make a great microphone. So if you guys want to get some more information on Lewitt mics, watch my show, because I'm using them all over the place on guitars and drums and vocals and you name it. But most importantly, click the link in the description below. It'll send you over to the site and you can check them out for yourself. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Now go do some work, you fucking lazy bastards.